Ashland Parks and Recreation Department, Rogue Valley Audubon Society, and the Klamath Bird Observatory will celebrate Rogue Valley Bird Day on Saturday, May 14th from 8 a.m. to noon at North Mountain Park Nature Center at 620 North Mountain Avenue in Ashland. This year's theme is Go Wild, Go Birding. The event offers a variety of engaging outdoor learning activities for birders of all ages, interests, and abilities. Take part in an annual bird calling contest. Hourly guided walks are scheduled to view migratory and resident birds up close and to learn more about local bird conservation. You can visit our website at this address. Better yet, come down and enjoy the event in person.